Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Body Lotion. Let's get right into it. This is how the product arrived. Just a tiny box. I got multiple products from Dr. Bronner's. Check out my channel for the others where I also unbox the soaps, the shower gels, what else, the toothpaste, and yeah, about that. Alright, let's get into it. This is what the box looks like from the inside, and this is the product I'll be unboxing today. Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Bio Body Lotion. It's in German, I know, because I live in a German-speaking country. Anyway, family tradition since 1858. Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Bio Body Lotion. It's 240 milliliters. That should be, is it 8 fluid ounces, I think? Yeah, just a normal tube. The first thing that I saw when I got it out of the box right now is that they did really well with the like lid on top of here, that nothing spills, which is a great thing, because sometimes these products spill and you kind of lose the product because of it, or it goes bad faster. I ordered the product on drbronner.ch, the Swiss website for Dr. Bronner's, and well, until now I'm very impressed by how they made sure nothing spills. What else can I say about the product? Well, right below the body lotion title of what it is, you can see the ingredients. It's a little tiny for my camera, but all natural, all natural products in there, and it really is good for your body. The peppermint flavor comes in this great blue color, and I want to have a smell at it if I can. No, because they close off the lid like this with a tape, you cannot smell anything. But the peppermint flavor, I've heard and I've read, is very strong, so I'm very curious to test it out. Then here in the back, well, organic food for your skin. They talk a bit about how to use it, and well, a few other tips and tricks for this product. What else? You can keep it for 24 months. Who it was made from was made in Germany by yeah, well, Dr. Bronner's Europe, and yeah, vegan. What other labels? Fair trade down here, if it focuses anywhere. Fair trade, guaranteed fair trade, and vegan. Yeah, very impressed. Oh no, it even says produced in the US, so this got shipped to Germany and then went from Germany to where I live. Alright, well, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider giving this video a like and also subscribing to this channel. Check out my other videos. I have more videos on Dr. Bronner's products, and also other products like clothes, shoes, technical stuff, stuff for streaming, computers, and so on. Go check that out. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.